Hey chat, let's not let up. Please don't stop talking about Kilmar Abrego Garcia because the government is trying to deport him again, even though they said that the first deportation was illegal. And this isn't even to mention that this administration is outsourcing torture. But as a quick recap, Kilmar Abrego Garcia came to the United States when he was 16 to escape gang violence over in El Salvador. And he built a pretty nice life for himself in the United States. His wife and children are US citizens, but back in March of 2025, he was wrongfully deported despite there being a court order saying that he could stay, and ICE sent him to El Salvador anyway, where he was locked up in a death camp where some of the people released have already discussed the torture that they faced. Like, all of this took weeks of court battles and immense public scrutiny before he was finally returned to the United States, only to face criminal charges over in Tennessee. Fortunately though, two judges stepped in. One said there's no evidence that he needs to stay in jail before the trial, and the other blocked ICE from deporting him again as soon as he was released, because it's crazy that they wanted to deport him right away. But the judge also said that ICE must give 72 hours notice if they try to deport him to a third country. This entire debacle shows how quickly rights can be ignored and how quickly the administration is ignoring rights even after the courts have already made a decision. They're ignoring court orders. Immigrants and their families deserve due process and protection, and this administration is just flat out ignoring the Constitution. And please know that there's nothing about Kilmar as a person that makes him unique. His story reminds us that this can happen to anyone. So please stay aware, know your rights, and speak up. If something doesn't feel right, please reach out, get legal help.